So hello everyone, today I want to do a stand-up comedy for you all. And my topic is boys toilet. Yes, it's true and you would be very relatable and the people who lost and who passed from school would remind many things. So let's start. First about the toilets, about the washroom, about the sink and everything. Everything is broken like this. This its spine bone is broken. Talking about it, the door of boys' toilet, like a haunted house. And inside the toilet, what boys are doing? Boys are peeing. A friend is like that. What do you want to see from me? And after that, what the person does? Nothing, just measuring. After that, what happened? The two students who always fight there. Like in boys' toilet, there are also rooms, separate toilets. In that, a friend close the door, and outside friends, what they are doing? Inside, hey, who is doing that? And outside from also outside. They are beating the door. Mutne doge chain se. And after that, when he come outside, where they all are? They left. Okay, I will. After that, in the toilet, there are also two people who has two Pokemon. One is Pikachu and second is Punjabi Paratha guy who farts that much. If anyone would smell his fart, he would die instantly. Like, go fart Punjabi man. He arrives. And then what he do? Simply, who is in front of me? Oh, seniors. Second, another school boys. He fart. Everyone died. And in the heaven, when they reach to God, how did you die? From a Punjabi guy fart, I died, and that is all. I don't want to live again. And in my next life, I didn't want to meet any person. I would not meet any person who is like this fart man. And again, he is farting. His master also died. भाई मेरे पास मास्क नहीं है, मैं मर जाऊंगा मैं भी. And after that, the Punjabi guy won the fight, and the cleaner also came. Hey, what is happening? He saw the guy like farting and he left the place. He didn't clean the washroom. And the principal arrives on that time. Who is fighting? Who is fighting on this place? And everyone got shocked. And the Punjabi guy didn't hesitate. He was still farting. And then the principal told him, come with me. And the principal took him like this. After that, who was the master of the Punjabi Pokemon, he said that, bye bye, fart in the principal room, I would meet you there. And after the boys' toilet, after the lunch, what happened? Simply, maid and woman came to clean the boys' toilet. So, what happened simply, when they reach there, boys come, everywhere is clean. They would put their legs in the mud. They would come and dance like this. Maid be like, खाना नहीं खाया क्या? जूते चप्पल खाने तो बता दे, मैं खिला दूंगा. After that, they left the toilet and then they said goodbye. So that is all for today. Tell you, opinion. It was just my opinion and some of my observation. I don't want to hurt anyone. It's just for my or. Also, it was just a joke, and it was just a joke for you all. It's not. I don't want to hurt anyone. And thank you for listening. This side, your friend.
Drop the comment. I love Punjabi.
Yes. Drop the comment. Punjabi OP. I love Punjabis. #Punjabi in the comment. Thank you for listening. That side, your video.